Have you ever wondered what would happen if you started drinking hibiscus tea every day? Could this vibrant, crimson-hued beverage be more than just a refreshing drink? Hibiscus tea, known for its deep red color and tart flavor, is not just a feast for the eyes and the palate. It's a powerhouse of health benefits backed by science and research. Let's dive into the world of hibiscus tea and uncover the changes you might see from daily consumption. Number 1. Antioxidant-rich. First off, hibiscus tea is loaded with antioxidants. These compounds fight off free radicals, which can cause cell damage and lead to chronic diseases. Studies have shown that the anthocyanins in hibiscus can boost your immune system and may even reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Number 2. Blood pressure benefits. If you're struggling with high blood pressure, hibiscus tea might be your new best friend. Research has consistently shown that it can lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. A review of several studies found that hibiscus tea had a significant effect on lowering blood pressure, making it a potential natural remedy for hypertension. Number 3. Cholesterol control. Hibiscus tea doesn't stop there. It's also been found to help manage cholesterol levels. Drinking hibiscus tea could lead to a decrease in bad LDL cholesterol and an increase in good HDL cholesterol. This means that hibiscus tea not only tastes good, but could also be good for your heart. Number 4. Weight loss wonder. And for those looking to shed a few pounds, hibiscus tea might assist in weight loss. Its properties can help with weight management, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. A meta-analysis of studies even suggests that hibiscus, combined with other plant extracts, could induce weight loss. Number 5. Liver health. Last but not least, your liver will thank you. Hibiscus tea is known to promote liver health and protect it against damage. Hibiscus tea is more than just a pretty drink. It's a beverage that brings a bouquet of health benefits to your daily routine. Now imagine sipping on this floral elixir every day, knowing each cup is contributing to your overall well-being. If you're intrigued by the potential health benefits of hibiscus tea, why not give it a try? Start with a cup a day and listen to what your body tells you. Remember, moderation is key, and always consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthful insights. Until next time, stay steeped in good health.